Good morning, guys. It's day 20. Okay. And we are going to see some question based on string. Okay. So check anagram. Check anagram. What is a anagram? What is a anagram? Let's see what is anagram. Let's Google anagram. Anagram meaning a word or phrase that is made by arranging the letter of another word or phrase. It's a in a different order. Get it? नहीं लिया होगा, नहीं समझ में आएगा, नहीं समझ में आएगा। जैसे 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 आपको पता है, मान लो हमें कोई स्ट्रिंग मिलती है, कोई वर्ड मिलता है, हमें हमें उसे रीअरेंज करके एक नया वर्ड बना। ओके। ओके। लाइक साइलेंट। ओके। यार, हाँ, लाइक साइलेंट। एस एल आई एस टी ई एल, साइलेंट। हम इसे क्या बना सकते हैं? सॉरी, एस एल आई, एस एल आई, एल एस आई, साइलेंट, एस आई एल ई एन टी, साइलेंट। ओके, सॉरी, साइलेंट। इसको हम और क्या बना सकते हैं? लिसन बना सकते हैं, लिसन। और क्या बना सकते हैं? ओके, गूगल करते हैं। ओके। inlets, enlist, listen, team cell. Okay, okay, get it. What is anagram? What is anagram? From listen, we can create five anagram. We can create five anagram from these letters, from this string. Okay, from this string, rearranging the letters, characters. Sorry, rearranging the characters inside the inside your string and create form a new meaningful word, which is a anagram. Okay, 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 like plate. Okay, sorry. Any other word? Home? I don't think so. Home have anagram. Okay. Homemade. Home. Okay, we don't have. Okay. So that was a correct example. That was a correct example. Okay, silent. Okay. So we are going to check. We are going to check is listen is listen have anagram or not? Have anagram or not? Okay. 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 Yes. No. नहीं समझा क्या चल रहा है? ओके। जस्ट हमें क्या रहेगा? चलो हम समझते हैं प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट क्या है पहले, ठीक है? व्हाट इज आवर प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट? ओके, प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट सेज वी विल गिव यू टू स्ट्रिंग, टू स्ट्रिंग। ओके, str1 equals to listen and str2, okay, let's write properly. Okay, str2 equals to what was, let's take any English. Okay, or okay, English. Okay, and that's it. We just need to check, is it anagram or not? Is it these both string are anagram or not? That's it. कोई है जिसे ऑलरेडी आता है? प्लीज। Don't go with the ID, which ID I'm using. Ideally we already installed the VS Code, but I don't know why VS Code is not working in my system. There's something which is I need to just reinstall the operating system again. Okay, so I'm facing issue with the VS Code. That's why I'm using this random thing. But it's similarly look like a similarly look like a VS Code. Okay, just focus on the code. We just using it for time being. Might be it will be fixed for tomorrow or day to like after the next like Tuesday. Yeah, it will get fixed. Okay, but yeah, as of now, just focus on a problem. Okay, okay, okay. What is our problem statement? We need to check. We need to check these two words. Okay, let's see. Change this. Sorry. Okay, these two letter words are anagram or not? Are anagram or not? Okay, how we can achieve this? How can we achieve this? How can we achieve this? It's too easy problem. But yeah, how can we achieve this? Anyone have any suggestion for that? How can we do this? To check these words are anagram or not. We know it's anagram or not because we already checked on Google. Okay, even we created that from Google, but we need to check is it anagram or not. How how we can do any suggestions, guys? हम ज्यादा लोग नहीं है guys. It should be interactive. Okay, okay, okay. हम loop चला सकते हैं. Are we use loops? Are we use loop? Checking length, yeah, perfect. The first thing, Jasmine, thanks. Good, Jasmine, good. First thing is we need to check its length. First thing is we need to check its length. Okay, if its length is not equal, it is not anagram. It's simple thing. Okay, okay. Traverse to each letter and then check both. Okay, that also works. That also works. Okay. So first thing, length, it's important. Like it's we can say it's our first check. Length is our first check. Okay. Check is length is equals. Okay. Okay, first check. Second check. Okay, second approach is traverse to both each letter and check both. Okay, we can traverse to each letter and check both. But there is a small problem. There is a small problem. Can you see? Can you see? If I traverse I and then check with is I inside L or not, it will give me. It will give me correct. Like if I checking is L inside this inside this letter inside this word, yeah, it will return me true. I'm checking is I present inside these or not, it will return me true. But what if I added 2I? What if I added 2I? Then what? Then if I or otherwise, yeah, 2I or something like that, something weird, something. Okay, like it's 2I will work, but likewise. Yeah, let's just take an example of a 2I. Okay, let's take an example of a 2I. So in this case, it will throw error. It will throw error. So what we do? What we do? What we do? What if we just sort? What we do? We just sort. We just sort both both string. What we sort both string? What if we sort both string? Yeah, Jasmine. What if we sort both string and then compare? Then compare. Correct? 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 For this, we break into three statements. We break into three statements. We break our code into three statements. What is we need to check length, then we need to sort, sorry, and then we need to compare them. We need to compare. So for doing these three things, for we need to do these three things. We need to do three things. Okay. Let's start with our program. Okay. Let's start with our program. So if str1 str1 dot length not equals to str2 dot length. Okay, okay, then okay, we write function for that. Okay, that we can use again and again. Okay, okay, we will write the function for that. Function is ana sorry a is anagram. Okay, is anagram. This is a function name, and okay, okay, and inside this statement. So let's okay, okay, and then we write return. Why? Because string. What do we return the string? It's not anagram. Okay, okay, okay. We will return this string. We will return this string. Okay. Or or else, or else, else. What should we write inside else? We will sort both string. We will sort both string. So we have method that we can sort a string by looping each and everything and then store and then do lot of things. Okay, lot of things. But but inside our JavaScript methods, we have sort. There is sort inside the sort. Hmm. Okay, we don't have sort directly with the directly with the string, but we have sort method. We have sort method. Definitely, we have sort method. Okay, so sorting method in JS. Mhm. Sorting method in JS. Can you see? It's give us a median link. Okay, okay. Array prototype dot sort. Okay, just ignore this prototype thing. Ignore this prototype thing, and always ignore this prototype thing. As for the learning, I will teach you what is the prototype, what is mean of this prototype. But did you read? Did you see? Array array dot sort. It's called array dot sort. Okay, I'll show you the example. Okay, can you see? We have array. We have array. Is it able to? Are you able to see? Are you able to see? Can you see? It's a array months. Okay, and months dot sort. Month dot sort. It will. It is it. It's sorted. It's sorted. Can you see? The array expected output is December, February, Jan, March. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? D, F, J, M. Okay, it's sorted by characters. It's sorted by characters. Again, see here we have array one and dot sort. That's it. It's sorted in 1,000, 2, 3. It's just taking first, first, first. Okay, and it is a. Can you see the syntax? The syntax sort and one parameter. We can pass one parameter. Comparison function. Okay, 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 okay. Let's see the sort. Okay, we saw the sorting. We saw the sorting. But sorting works with a array. Sorting works with the array. We have string. We have string, and sorting works with the array. Then how can we use? How can we use here? We learn in our recent lecture to convert string into array. We learn. I don't know how many of you remember, but we learn already. Okay, convert string into array. Then we need to do one another step here. Convert string into sorry. Convert string into array. But how? How do we convert string into array? How do we convert string into array? Okay, we see the split. Okay, we saw the split in our recent lecture. Okay, we see the split in our recent lecture. Okay, okay. Where I need to show you. Where do I show you? Where do I show you? They don't give a proper example. Okay, can you see? Can you see? Can you see? We have that string. They converted into array. Okay, we have this string, my string. Hello world, how are you? How are you doing? Okay, and it's string. It splits. Hello world, how? It is pass three. If we didn't pass, it will didn't pass. If it is didn't pass anything, it will not. It will not. Okay, it will not. Okay, okay. Do we have another example? Yeah, we have another example. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see this split? Okay. Again, okay, let's do in our code. Let's do in our code. Okay, let's do in our code. str dot split. Just let's just do and see. Okay, we'll write. We will just ignore this one. We'll just ignore this one and then try to write here. Okay, console. Okay, let arr equals to sorry, arr equals to str1 dot split and opening closing bracket. Okay, and it's a string. It's a string, and we need to pass a rule. We need to pass a rule, which is I just pass the rule with with no space. I just want to split this with a no space. Okay, okay, okay. And then console.log, console.log. Well, ARR. Okay, ARR. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I think slice and slice array method. Yeah, we also have slice and splice, but it's not. Okay, array to string. It's string join. Okay, it's a join, not a split. Okay, okay. Let's see. Let's see. We will see both things, split and join. Okay, we will see both things. Okay, split used for array to, sorry, string to array. Split used for string to array. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Inspect. Okay, you might be not able to see and just share. Okay. Now you're able to see. Okay. Did you see? Did you see array? Did you see the array? ILISTEN. Able to see the array? Able to see the array? Able to see the array? Just let me just refresh again. Clear and refresh. Can you see the array? Can you see the array? We converted our string into array. LISTEN. Listen. Did you see? Did you see? So what we see, we converted using split method. We converted using split method our string into array. But what is this rule? What is this rule? Okay, this is a question. Everyone maybe got the question, or some of you got the question. What is this rule? This rule tells the split that what kind of rule I need to follow while the converting string into array. Like that. If I pass, if I pass space, if I pass space, still, still, still do we get, still, sorry, string is not visible. Okay, okay, what is this rule? Some of you got the question. What is this rule? Okay, this rule. Okay, so this rule is passing a instruction with a split to the JavaScript before or while converting string into array. Okay, so what if I just write this rule? I need to follow. Okay, remember one thing: rule always written inside the written inside the double quotes. Always written inside the double quote in a or we can say form of a string. Okay, form of a string. Rule should be like that. Okay, and if inside that, if I send this one, I pass this rule. I pass this rule. I need to split by slash forward slash. Okay, let's just see. Do we get the output or our? Okay. Did you see? It's only give me listen. It's only give me listen. Why? Why? It's a single array. It's a single array. Okay, it's a single array. Array. Let me just refresh for you. Let me just refresh for you and just see. Okay, it just passed a single string array. It's a single element, which is listen, which is string itself. Okay, it's string itself. So and just I want to show you, and I added this one here. Or let's see, added here too. Okay, then what JavaScript do, then what this split do, it's follow this rule, and when it's found the slash forward slash, it splits from there. It's split from there. Okay, let's just see. Everyone able to see, correct? Yeah. Okay, did you notice, did LISTEN and N? Did you notice properly? Did you notice what it will be doing? It's a rule. Rule. It's a rule. Okay. So I just observe in my string, I just observe there is a no space. There is a no space in my string. It's just a simple word. So what I did, I just pass rule as a no space. Just split a string with a no space. Okay, that's why I am able to properly convert this each character as a element of a array. Okay, okay, okay. Any doubt, any doubt, any doubt in this split? Why we use here, Jasmine? Because we are, why we use here? Okay, so you joined late. Okay, you joined late, but okay. I'm just repeating again. We are going to see our program, which is check anagram. For that, we need four things. First, we need to check length. Then we need to sort. Then we need to sort each. What we say? Each string. For that, for sorting, we need to we need to convert array into string into array, because sorting method only present in a array, only present in an array. That's why nothing more than that. Okay, you joined. Okay, we converting array. Okay, sorry, we converting string into array, because sorting method only in can you see array dot sort, where it is array dot sort. Okay, month is array and it's a sort. That's why. Nothing more than that. Okay. So we split. So we split successfully. Then array one, and let's see array two. Okay, we convert it into array one, array two. Okay. 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 Want to see array one and array two. Array two. Okay. Then let's just go with the where it is. Let's check. Okay. Yes, we converted successfully. We converted each string into array. We converted each string into array. Even want to see the type of, I write for you. Type of, okay, for a better clarification. Okay. And this method will help you a lot in while you are solving DSA, and even in your, what we say, okay, object, okay. It's just JavaScript. JavaScript will like give you always object. Okay. Okay. But we know already what it is. But we already know what it is. Okay. Okay. Even over here, you will see string, array, array, array of a string. Sorry, array of a strings. Okay. Okay. Then what is our third? Sorting. I think I missed here. Okay. Okay. Let's come with our third, which is sorting. Okay. Okay. Sorting. So what sorting says here? What sorting says here? Just write sort. SORT. Just write sort. Okay. Where it is our program? Just write sort. Array dot sort. Let's just try here. Dot sort. Or let me just write below this. Let sorted array one. Okay. ARR dot SORT sort opening and closing bracket. Okay. Similarly for one and two. Okay, two and it's for two. Let's just console both arrays. Sorted arrays. Okay. Both sorted arrays. Okay. Getting guys? Did you getting guys why we are doing this? Correct? 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 Let's just see the output. Let's just refresh. Okay, sir, split method is only other languages have a split method. Yeah, might be, but we are learning JavaScript, so just focus here. Okay, just focus here on. Okay, okay. Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? Both are get sorted. Both are get EI sorry EILNST EILNST. Did you see? Did you see? Let me just show you again. Okay, where it is? Refresh. Did you see? Did you see? Did you see? It's our original arrays, first one and second one, and third and fourth. A sorted array, correct, correct, correct. But now we have new challenge. Now we have new challenge. What it is? What it is? We need to convert our array into back to the string. Okay, after the sorting, now we need to convert our array back to the string. How? But how? But how? Okay, let's see how. How? Okay, we have another method with a string, with a string which says join, which say join. It is join array dot join. It should be array dot join because we are finding searching a method for a join. Okay, or just let write the Google convert the array into string. Okay, okay. Just click this. Okay, okay. What it said? What it said? What it says? Okay, okay. You can convert by using two array. Did you see? Two string, two string. But we don't want that commas. But we don't want that comma. That means after the converting array into string using toString method, we will get commas also inside our string. And after that, we need to deal with that commas too. Okay. So we have another method. You can see we have another method join and importer like imp load. We say imp load. Okay. It's imp load, important load. Okay. So these method are not get used, but this method used widely and can say everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Did you notice here? Did you notice in this JavaScript Python JavaScript example? Let's just copy. Let's just copy and see in our code. Okay. Let's just copy and see in our code. Okay. Did you notice here? Did you notice here? They write join and inside that they pass the rule. They pass the rule. Did you see conversion? Just focus on the output. It's a array of a strings, and he passed the rule, which is I need to split with this what is a hyphen. So it's sorry, join with this hyphen. Join with this hyphen. So they join JavaScript join that whole array, but instead of comma, it replace with that dash. Replace with that dash. Notice. Let's just see. We write here what we can write here. We can write a plus, or we can write equals to. Sorry, equals to. Did it give us a same? It should be output kind of like that because we change the rule. We change the rule. Okay. Let's just see the output. Let's just see the output. Okay. Here it is. Let's just see. Okay. Where it is. Where it is. I need to refresh first. Okay. Yes. Okay. Refresh. I had a join. Okay. I didn't write the console. Console dot log array string. Okay. 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 Let's just again. Okay. Be with me, guys. Be with. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? It changed comma with it replace comma with the equals to, and even add the space too. Okay. Did you see? It's even add the spaces. Okay. And what if I didn't pass any rule? What if I didn't pass any rule? Any rule? I just pass empty string. Okay. I just pass no string. Okay. No space string and see the output. Sorry, guys. I got a cold. Hey, did you notice? Did you notice? Did you notice? It just converted array into string with no space, nothing, with even not a comma, even not a comma. There is a no comma even. Okay, that's why I'm saying we are going to using the split, not a two string. Okay, that's why we are not using this two string. Okay, we are using join method. Okay, for converting array to string. Okay, let's just use that join. Okay, I just copying this thing and just remove everything. Okay, where here. Okay, okay, okay. Now convert back. Let str1. Okay, let's just let str sorry. How do we say sorted array? Okay, array string from array one. Okay, because it should be a meaningful name always, always. Okay, string from array one. Okay, dot what is the method? What is the method? In chat, everyone, what is the method? What was that method? In chat, join, correct. Join and string, which is no space, nothing. It's just a string. Correct. Just a string, nothing, no rule. Only empty string. Even not a yeah, empty string. Okay, empty string. Okay, for second, same second. Okay, 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 okay. Let's just check once again. Okay, let's just check once again. Okay, what we did. Okay, uh, let's just write. Let me console copy first one. Okay, and second one. Okay, okay. Let's just see the output. First of all, let me just reload and output. Did you see? Did you see? We converted our array into string. We converted our array. We converted this array into a single string in a simple string. Correct? Correct. For comma separated, we use two string. Yes. 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 If you want the output with these commas, yeah, you definitely go with the two string. Okay. Even two string convert everything. Like even if you wanted to convert number into string, you can easily convert using two string. Okay, that was method you can use, convert any data type into string instead only except function and object. Okay, okay, okay. But other all the data types you can convert. Even boolean you can convert into string. Okay, okay. So let's just recap what we did here. What we did here, we just going to see the small recap. Okay, so we need to find, we have to find anagram. So that's why we do check at the start of a program, is length of both string are equal or not. That is the first check. Okay, and after that we need to sort both string and then compare, because if we sorted directly, if we sort that both string, it will gives us a what we say, the similar what we say, arrangement of a characters, same arrangement of a characters. Okay, okay, okay. So for that, what we do, we have a sort method inside our array or with array. So that's why we converted our string into array, then apply our sort method, and then again converted array into string. Okay, I know it looks little bit what we say complex, but you need to learn this thing. Okay, these more useful things, because it's a manipulation, string and array both. Okay, and sometimes you need to convert your string into array and array into string. So just remember. Okay, just remember your join method and split method. Okay, join and split, and play with that different rules. Okay, okay, okay. So we successfully sorted, we successfully convert into array, sort the array and convert that array into string. Okay, okay. Let me just write here, converting into array. Okay, then here sorting the array. Okay, and then converting string from the array. Okay, array from string. Okay, get it. Anyone have any doubt? Use of slice, it's a different thing. Okay, it's a different thing. Using of slice thing, it's a different thing. Okay, okay. That's also a array method, but it's not applicable here. Okay, that's a different thing. Okay, okay, okay. Join is for converting string into array into string. It's convert. Okay, it's convert join method. Did you see what I written here? Did you see what I written here? Converting string for from from the array. From the array. Okay. 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 And inside that you pass the your rule. Okay, in both split and join. That rule will act like that while converting. Okay. Well, it's remember that thing. How do I need to convert? Okay. 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 So we are going to see one thing. Okay. Okay. Just okay. We have okay, and just that's it. We need to just if string from array one equals to string for array two. Okay. Triple equals to. Okay. We anyone have doubt with the double equals to triple equals to? If you have, you just need to go and recap your classes. Because I'm not going to tell you this one. The basic thing I think I've spent 40 minutes to just teach you this equals to and double equals to. Okay. That's it. Console dot log. Okay. Console dot log. What it is? What is it? It's a it's a an anagram. Okay. It's an anagram. Okay. Where I written? Okay. Yeah. I have written. Okay. So just let me copy everything. Just let me copy everything from here. Okay. And let's just put inside that else. Why? Because we are doing everything inside that else. Okay. Where is the format? Okay. Still visible because I just reduce the font size. Still visible or not? Yeah, correct, correct. Still visible or not? Just give me on chat. Still visible or not? Or otherwise I'll zoom. I just wanted to show you everything in one frame. Yes. Okay, still visible. Okay. 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 So what we do inside this function is anagram. Okay. 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 We need to call function. Okay. We need to call function let result let result equals to is anagram. Need to call function correct is anagram and passing our arguments, passing arguments. Okay. String one and string two. Anyone need to capture? Okay. We are capturing with the same name. String one and string two. Okay. String one and string two. Okay. 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 So, so, so what we are going to see? Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. And where we return here, else, and here if. And inside this if we can write else. We can write else again. Okay. We can write else again. What if it's not then return? Not a console. It should be return. It should be return. It should be return because we are passing back our result. Control X. Okay. And even anyone, please don't ask what is the return because we see already what is the return. Okay. Okay. Similarly, else return same where it is. Yeah, it's same. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Are we writing our code properly or not? Okay. Okay. Even I'm not sure. Even I'm not still not sure is going to work or not because it's a coding. It's a coding. It's all about the coding. Sometimes it's run, sometimes it's not. Okay. Okay. There it is. Right. Okay. 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 We didn't write console. Sorry, we didn't write console to check. We didn't write console to check. Okay. Result. We didn't write a console to check. Console dot log result comma result. Okay. Okay. Let's just go here. It's anagram. It's anagram. It's anagram. Correct. 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 We got a result equals to it's anagram. It's anagram. Let's just check. Let's just change the parameters. Let's just change the parameter. If I write here u extra u. Okay. Okay. Let's just check. Let's just check its output. Let's just check its output. Sorry, I didn't convert. Okay. I just change here u. Okay. Or let's just see u and I. Okay. U and I. Just join. Okay. It's not anagram. It's not anagram. It's not anagram. Okay. नहीं, कंपेयर लेंथ नहीं करता है, कंपेयर पूरा पूरा स्ट्रिंग कंपेयर करता है। ओके, ओके, ओके। वी सी कंपैरिजन ऑपरेटर, हमारे पास में कंपैरिजन ऑपरेटर काफी सारे हैं, तो इक्वल्स टू वन ऑफ देम, इक्वल्स टू वन ऑफ देम, एंड इट्स नॉट इक्वल्स टू वन ऑफ देम। ओके, नॉट इक्वल्स टू वन ऑफ देम। ओके, वेयर इट इज, या, तो मुझे बस सारे कंसोल डिलीट करने दो एक बार, तो इट विल मेक क्लीन अप द कोड। just let me just clean up the code properly. Okay, now it's readable, now it's readable, yeah, correct, it's readable. Okay, okay, and then let me write here console. Okay, क्योंकि हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हमारे कंसोल में अंदर अंदर क्या है। ठीक है, एंड देन जस्ट पिक दिस एंड उसको लिख देते हैं, क्योंकि हमने क्या क्या किया यहाँ पे पता चल जाएगा। ठीक है, ठीक है। नाउ 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 हमारे पास में दो स्ट्रिंग है। ओके, हमारे पास में दो स्ट्रिंग है। उसको हमने क्या किया, सबसे पहले क्या किया, फंक्शन बनाया। ठीक है, फंक्शन के अंदर क्या किया हमने, सबसे पहले तो उसकी लेंथ चेक की। फिर जैसे हमने सबसे पहले उसकी लेंथ चेक की। ओके, हमने सबसे पहले उसकी लेंथ चेक की। अगर उसकी लेंथ अलग हो, इफ बोथ आर बोथ आर बोथ हैव अ डिफरेंट लेंथ, बोथ हैव डिफरेंट लेंथ, देन इट्स क्लियर कि इट्स नॉट एनाग्राम। क्लियर है ना, अगर हम लेंथ ही अलग है तो समझ में आ गया हमारे कि दोनों कैरेक्टर्स डिफरेंट है, किसी में एक्स्ट्रा कैरेक्टर है या किसी में एक कैरेक्टर कम है। ओके, दैट्स व्हाई चेक एट फर्स्ट inside a function, and then I return. What this return do, it will just get back your function from here. यहाँ से वापस चल जाएगा, यहाँ आगे जाएगा ही नहीं, यहाँ से वापस चला जाएगा। And what if this condition get false? What if this condition get false? It will comes inside a else. It will come inside a else. और इसके अंदर में हमने क्या किए, पहले उसको कन्वर्ट किए into array. We converted into array. Okay, we converted into array. Okay, मैं गलत लिखा हूँ यहाँ पे, एक सेकेंड। मैंने first into array, converted into array, then sort, the then sort the array, correct? Then convert array into string. Okay, then convert to array. ठीक है, sort the array, then convert to string. Okay, convert to string. Okay, and then send these two strings. If these two strings are equal, then it's a anagram, or if it's not, it's not anagram. That's it. Simple, 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 simple. Okay, if I change, did you see I added you and I here. Okay, so in this case, our first condition get passed because both have same length. Okay, but inside this, it will just split, then sort, and then join, and then compare. And in that comparison, it will throw us true or false. Okay, let's see, let's see the output. Let's see the output. Okay, let's see the output. Did you see where it is? Sort the array. Okay, what is it? Why it's not clear? Okay, let me just check once what I return. Array, everything, result. Okay, everything is properly written. Okay, AR1 is not defined. ARR1 is not defined. Where did I write ARR1? Okay, ARR1. Sorry, that's why it's showing me error. It should be. It should be. Okay. Why this error? Why this error throws us? Because we didn't create it. Okay. SPRC, SPR1, SPR2. Okay. Now. Okay. Let's just check. Okay. Do you see? First array, first string, second string, and it's not a anagram. It's not anagram. Do you see? It's not anagram. Okay. 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 That is a question. Anyone have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt in this question? Anyone have any doubt in this question? Anagram or not? This is the most important question. Okay, who did that? Who did that? Dev. Correct, Dev. Correct. Let me just check once your program. Return, split, console, correct. Join, then comparing, correct, then SPR listening, correct. Correct, Dev. Correct, Dev. Okay. So there is a one concept I wanted to implement here. Okay. Like the developer used. Okay. Which called chaining. Which called chaining. What is a chaining? Chaining. Did you notice here? Did you notice here? We generate a we generate a we generate a result here after the split. Did you see? We generate result here. Okay. What JavaScript do? Okay. Let's see one by one. Let's see one by one. When we come on line number 24, when we come line number 24, str1 dot split return return a result. It's return a result. Okay. And we store that result inside that ARR1. Whatever the operation, we are using split here. Whatever the operation, whatever the calculation, it will generate here, and that generated result we store here. Correct? Correct. Same thing we did here. Same thing we doing here too. Okay. What if I write what if I write this sort method, and I just write this inside a bracket and then write directly here. Write directly here. What it will do? What it will do? What it will do? It will do this operation first. Then whatever the result, then perform the operation. Okay, like that, because I am writing array of one dot sort, and I'm writing this result with a sort. Any difference here? Did you find any difference here? Did you find any difference here? Okay, did you find any difference here? Did you find any difference here? No, no, no. Want to see? Want to see? I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll show you. Let's just take this example. There it is. Okay, Control X. There it is here. Okay, so, okay. We compare here. ओके, मैं ओरिजिनल कंपेयर प्रोग्राम को नहीं छेड़ेंगे, हम नया प्रोग्राम बनाएंगे, ठीक है? ओरिजिनल को नहीं छेड़ेंगे. ओके, वी हैव. ओके, we can use that type. It's called chaining. It's called chaining. Remember the words. Remember words. Okay. Okay. It's called chaining. Comparing. Okay. 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 So let me just. It's called chaining. Okay. Okay. Chaining. Okay. Chaining of methods. Chaining of method. Just remember chaining, because we chaining or whatever it's a method or operations. Just remember chaining, because it because it's while you are in interview, while you are with your, like, while you are interviewing someone, they ask you sometime. Okay. Okay. If you want to show you them. Okay. if you if you show them, like, I'm doing this, they ask you why do I do that, what it's called. Okay. So just let example of chaining. Okay, let example of chaining equals to what we did. Okay, just took this example str. Okay, we can't do that. Okay, we can't do that. We need to create everything from scratch. Okay, we can access that. Okay, we can access that. Okay, so that's why we can write that str. Okay, पहले तो हमने क्या किया, स्ट्रिंग को स्प्लिट कर लिया. फिर हम क्या करते हैं, स्प्लिट करने के बाद में उसको सॉर्ट कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. ठीक है, उसको हम क्या करते हैं, एक ब्रैक बॉक्स के अंदर ले लेते हैं, उसको सॉर्ट कर लेते हैं. ओके, सॉर्ट कर लो भाई. फिर हम क्या करते हैं, सॉर्ट के बाद में ज्वाइन भी करवा सकते हैं फिर. करेक्ट भाई, अगर हो रही है चेनिंग तो सारी हो जाए, है ना? हो जाए. करेक्ट guys. It's not always necessary to your chaining work. It's not always necessary that your chaining should work. Okay. 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 Okay, everyone just left in one. Okay, whatever. Okay. 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 So inside these we need we should know the same result. Okay. Okay, did you notice what I written here? Did you notice what I written here? Did you notice what I written? I know it's complex. I know it's complex, and might be give you what we say, वो क्या होता है, सिर पे थोड़ा आपके स्ट्रेस पड़ेगा, बट थोड़ा देखो. यहाँ क्या किया मैंने, पहले स्प्लिट किया, फिर उसको मैंने सॉर्ट किया, और फिर उस सॉर्ट को मैंने ज्वाइन किया. दैट्स इट. nothing. I know it's little bit complex, but it is what it is. So can we compress our code? Can we compress our code? हम अपने कोड को कंप्रेस कर सकते हैं. ओके, लेट्स सी. ये फंक्शन को मैं फिर से रीराइट कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. ठीक है, ठीक है. मैं इसको अलग तरीके से लिख रहा हूँ. ओके, ओके, ओके. यूजिंग चेनिंग, यूजिंग चेनिंग. ओके. बट मैंने इसको कमेंट क्यों किया? कोई जरूरत थोड़ी है कमेंट करने की. ओके, और कोई जरूरत थोड़ी है कमेंट करने की. तो मैंने यहाँ पे वो फंक्शन को फिर से लिया यहाँ पर. और यहाँ पे क्या करूंगा मैं? यहाँ पर क्या करूंगा मैं? इस चीज को यहाँ से लूंगा. ठीक है, स्प्लिट को मैं सॉर्ट को लूंगा, उसके सामने लगा दूंगा. यहाँ लगा दिया हमने. फिर मैं ज्वाइन को लूंगा यहाँ से, इसको लगा दूंगा. ठीक है. सिमिलरली, सेम थिंग मैं बाकी भी कर सकता हूँ. सेम थिंग मैंने क्या किया, यहाँ भी की, यहाँ भी की. ठीक है. ओके, ओके, ओके. और मैं क्या करता हूँ, इसका रीनेम कर देता हूँ. इसको कर देता हूँ रिजल्ट 1, रिजल्ट 1. इसको कर देता हूँ रिजल्ट 2. और क्या करते हैं हम? सब कुछ उड़ा देते हैं, सब कुछ उड़ा, इसका तो हमें काम ही नहीं है. ठीक है. और हम क्या करेंगे? कंपैरिजन का काम है. हमें कंपैरिजन का काम है. हम क्या करेंगे? जस्ट इसको, वी विल जस्ट कॉपी दिस थिंग एंड दैट्स इट. दैट्स इट. दैट्स इट. दैट इज योर शॉर्टेज. जस्ट दैट्स इट. What we did here, we just we just compress our whole code into the two single line. I think 8 to 10 लाइन जो थी हमने 2 लाइन में खत्म कर दी. 8 to 2 लाइन जो थी हमने 2 लाइन में खत्म कर दी. 8 to 2 लाइन जो है हमने 2 लाइन में खत्म कर दी. लेट्स सी द आउटपुट. लेट्स सी द आउटपुट. क्या कहता है सैंडबॉक्स? कुछ तो एरर है, कुछ तो एरर है. ओके. व्हाट विल से? एल्स इट्स नॉट. व्हाट इट इज मैसेज फंक्शन. क्या हो गया इसे? ओके, इसको उड़ा देते हैं. इसका काम नहीं है. ओके. फंक्शन इज एनाग्राम. करेक्ट लिखा है हमने. फंक्शन इज एनाग्राम. फंक्शन इज एनाग्राम. ओके, ओके, ओके. एक ही फंक्शन 2 बार लिखा है. करेक्ट. एक ही फंक्शन सेम नेम से नहीं हो सकता है. तो इसको हम लिखते हैं विथ चैन. ओके, विथ चैन. ठीक है. इन दोनों को कॉल करते हैं. वेयर वी कॉल्ड हियर. वेयर वी कॉल्ड. ओके. सो वो करते हैं कॉपी. अब लिखते हैं फिर से. लेट हटा देते हैं क्योंकि हमारा ऑलरेडी बना हुआ है. और इसको चेंज कर देते हैं हमारा विथ चैन के साथ. ओके, ओके. चलो. और हम क्या करते हैं, तो फिलहाल के लिए इसको सुला देते हैं. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. तो मैं कर देता हूँ ऐसे. नाउ लेट जस्ट सी रिजल्ट. ओके. फिर आउटपुट देखते हैं हमारा जो आउटपुट क्या है. ओके. इट्स नॉट एनाग्राम. डिड यू सी? डिड यू सी? इट्स नॉट एनाग्राम बिकॉज हमने छेड़छाड़ किए थे हमारे हमारे इनपुट में. ओके. लेट जस्ट पास प्रॉपर एनाग्राम थिंग. ओके. नाउ जस्ट कंपेयर. लेट जस्ट सी द आउटपुट. डिड यू सी? इट्स एनाग्राम. इट्स एनाग्राम. लिसन और लिस्ट जो है वो एनाग्राम. करेक्ट, 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 करेक्ट. ओके. कोई डाउट है अभी तक? एनीवन हैव एनी डाउट टिल नाउ? एनीवन हैव एनी डाउट? बिकॉज जो है यही है. बिकॉज जो है यही है. ओके. मैं एक सेकंड क्वेश्चन भी लेने वाले थे आज. आई वाज टू आई वाज गोइंग टू आस्क लाइक वेयर इट इज एनाग्राम कन्वर्टिंग स्ट्रिंग. ओके. आई थिंक आई रिमूव कन्वर्टिंग स्ट्रिंग इनटू array कंपैरिजन कन्वर्टिंग. ओके, ओके. चलो ठीक है, चल जाएगा हमारा. ठीक है. चेक एनाग्राम और नॉट. ओके, ओके. इट इज अ क्वेश्चन. ओके, दैट वाज अ क्वेश्चन. ओके, ओके. Thank you for joining, guys. Anyone have any doubt till now?